So guys, I've put up the shelf. I don't know if I mentioned I'm using the shelf to store all my bags because I just want my wardrobe to be organized. And yeah, I've bought two things to organize my wardrobe. So as you can see, I store, yes, this is a mess. As I said, I'm gradually like sorting out my wardrobe. So at the bottom over there was terrible. Now it looks nice. We've got the trunks, and also we've got a dumbbell, kettlebell. Yeah, but that's important. So previously I stored my bags on these hooks, and I was like, the shelf looks really nice. Yeah, the whole idea is that I'm decluttering the space. Obviously this area is just going to be closed. I do have these tongs. I'm probably going to store them way behind over there because they're tongs. They just don't need to be visible like for the kids. Apart from that, I just want the space up here to be just clothes and not other knickknacks that look iron. Like, I'm gonna find space for the iron in the kitchen somewhere. It's just I'm trying to find a space for everything.
hope it means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope.
I'm used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you, everything has changed. Even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain? Even as we're having a fight. Say you, say you. I'm used to give up 100 times. It's never been worth it. But now there is so much to say. This time it is different. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed. Even though we both stay the same.